A hemispherical tank is given, hemispherical tank, which is made up of an iron sheet whose thickness is 1 centimeter. This is the thickness, which is 1 centimeter. Further, if the inner radius is 1 meter, if the inner radius is 1 meter, if the inner radius is 1 meter, then find the volume of this iron sheet of which the tank is made up of. So, the inner radius is given as 1 meter. The thickness is 1 centimeter. If we add these both, we get the outer radius 1 meter plus 1 centimeter, 1.01 meter. So, my dear students, we have a hemispherical tank made up of iron sheet whose thickness is 1 centimeter. The inner radius is 1 meter, so that the outer radius is 1.01 meter. And we have to find volume of this iron whose tank is made up of. This is question number 6, exercise 13.8, surface areas and volumes. So, we have two hemispheres. This one outer hemisphere whose radius is 1.01 meter, and one inner hemisphere whose radius is 1 meter. And the volume of the iron would be equal to volume of volume of the outer sphere minus volume of the inner sphere. And the formula for volume of a hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So, writing the formula 2 by 3 pi r cube minus 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi is common. 2 by 3 pi is common. So, r cube minus small r cube. 2 by 3, 22 by 7, 1.01 cube minus 1 cube. So, 44 by 21 into, and the cube of 1.01 44 by 21 multiply the difference of these two quantities 0.0303, converting into fraction. So 0.0303 is converted into fraction by dividing it by 10,000. And after calculation, after solving this expression, the value is 0.063488 meter cube. This is the volume of the iron sheet of which this hemispherical tank is made up of. The seventh question. One surface area of a sphere is given to us. Surface area equal to 154 centimeter square, and we have to find the volume of this sphere. For the volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So we have to find r. And this r will be calculated using the surface area. So surface area is 154 centimeter cube, and the surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. 422 by 7 r square, 154 into 7, 4 into 22 equal to r square. 11 to the 2 sevens. So r square is equal to 7 into 7 by 4, or we can write 7 by 2 square. So if the exponents on both sides, left and right sides, are equal, it means the bases are equal. So r is 7 by 2 centimeter. The value of r is 7 by 2 centimeter. So let us now find the volume. Now we have r equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. This we have calculated. And the volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3, 22 by 7, 7 by 2, 7 by 2, 7 by 2. 7 cancelled. 2 to the 4, 4 cancelled. 2 11s. So we have 49, 539 by 3 centimeter cube. We can solve further. 3 ones, 3 sevens, 3 sevens, 2 by 3 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the sphere. So in this question we were given a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square, and we have to find the volume. For the volume, radius of the sphere is required. Radius we have calculated using this formula, surface area. And the radius is 7 by 2 centimeter. Then we can calculate the volume, 4 by 3 pi r cube. Put the values and get the answer. Moving on to the next question. A dome of a building is in the form of a hemisphere. A dome of a building is in the form of a hemisphere. From inside, it was whitewashed at the cost of rupees 498.96 rupees. If the cost of whitewashing is rupee 2 per square meter, then number 1, find the inside surface area of the dome, and number 2, volume of the air inside the dome. So we have a hemispherical dome. Hemispherical dome over a building. And cost of whitewashing the inner surface. Cost of whitewashing the inner surface is 498.96 rupees, and the rate is given as rupee 2 per meter square. We have a hemispherical dome over a building and inner surface is whitewashed. Total cost is 498.96 rupees and the rate of whitewashing is rupee 2 per meter square. And we have to find number 1, surface area of dome. This inner surface area of the dome. So the formula for total cost of whitewashing, total cost is equal to surface area multiply rate. Using this formula, now total cost is given as 498.96 rupees. Surface area we have to find and the rate is rupee 2 per meter square. So the surface area is equal to, solve this fraction, 249.48 meter square. This is the surface area. Surface area is 249.48 meter square. And we were given total cost of whitewashing and rate of whitewashing. Using this formula, we have calculated the surface area. Now, the second part is we have to find the volume of air inside the dome. Volume of air inside the dome. It means we have to find the volume of the hemisphere. Volume of the hemisphere. For which we need radius of the dome. Radius we calculate using the surface area. Surface area of dome hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. Surface area is calculated 249.48, 2 into pi by r square. 249.48 multiply 7 by 2 into 22. This is r square. Now solving this expression, the r is 6.3 meter. After solving this expression, we find the r equal to 6.3 meter. So r is 6.3 meter. Now we are going to calculate the second part, volume. Volume of air inside the dome, which is hemispherical. So volume of the hemisphere is given by the formula 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r we have calculated 6.3 cube. Converting into fraction, 1 divided by 1000. 7 9s are 3 3s are. So 54 into 3 into 63 into 63 by 1000. Now solve this expression and get the answer. Solve the expression and get the answer. 523.91 meter cube. This is the volume of the air inside the dome. तो आज के लिए इतना काफ़ी है, फिर जल्दी ही मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.